this is Dr. Blumenthal at Natural Transplants. We're here in the Bethesda, Maryland office, and a lot of people have concerns about doing the strip procedure because they're really worried about the scar, which is understandable. This is just another example of our scars here. We really take pride in our scars and how small they are, and we just took out the sutures just a few minutes ago, so you'll see that there's this tiny little scar right there. That will be what ends up as the scar. There's obviously some hair that's shaved above and below it, still a little puffy from the sutures, irritating the skin. Those will settle down and become flat again. But you can see this tiny little line right here. That is what will be left in scar, and you'll never ever see this. Go all the way around here. Again, those little bumps on both sides will flatten out with time now that the sutures are out. But you can see how minimal that scar is. That'll never ever be seen. So again, just another example of the work we do here and the scars that you expect here. All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.